Hello there folks, and welcome to Malvern Link railway station, and kicking us off will be 802.011, working the 10 o'clock Great Western Railway service from Great Malvern through to London Paddington. Next out to depart is 802.014 with the 1012 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington through to Great Malvern. Arriving next into the station is 196.102, working the 1015 West Midlands Railway service from Hereford through to Birmingham New Street. Next out to depart is 197.2339 with 1043 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street through to Hereford. And he's off. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 802.014 with the 1102 Great Western Railway service from Great Malvern through to London Paddington. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the two videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.